Let's begin this bulletin now with a news alert coming in. The United States says that it wants a robust and clear international probe into the origins of the COVID-19 pandemic in China. The US has also accused some sources of China of spreading misinformation about the early days of the pandemic. The White House spokesperson Jen Psaki said that it is imperative that we get to the bottom of how the virus appeared in the first place and spread worldwide, becoming a pandemic. The White House also expressed great concern over misinformation from some sources in China.
Obviously, the misinformation, of course, that we've seen also come out of some sources in China is of great concern to us. It's imperative that we get to the bottom of the early days of the pandemic in China, and we've been supportive of an international investigation that we feel should be robust and clear.
The coronavirus has now killed more than 2 million people, and it has infected at least 100 million people worldwide and hammered the global economy. Since first being detected about a year ago in the central Chinese city of Wuhan. Now, earlier this month, a team of experts from the World Health Organization arrived in Wuhan after repeated delays to investigate the virus's origins. Scientists now agree that the disease has an animal origin, and particular focus is on the Wuhan wet market, which sells live animals. But former US President, that is, Donald Trump supported a claim that the virus could have instead originated in a lab at the Wuhan Institute of Virology. Days before Trump left office this month, the US State Department attacked the Chinese Communist Party's, quote, deadly obsession with secrecy and control. It said that the staff at the Wuhan lab had fallen sick with symptoms resembling COVID-19 in 2019 before any cases of the virus were made public. Psaki said that the new Biden government was devoting significant resources of its own to understand what happened exactly and what the US would not take, and that the US would not take the WHO's report for granted at face value. The White House added that Washington will draw on information collected and analyzed by its intelligence community and also work with allies to evaluate the credibility of the international report. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.